Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is little different because today we are going to learn English while making food. In this way we can learn a lots of kitchen related vocabulary. So I hope this video will helpful for you. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay? So you know what guys, today I'm going to make okra and okra curry with chapatis. This is also called lady finger. So I have some lady finger, and this is also called okra. Okay, so this is new word for you. This is called okra. So first I'm going to wash it well because there is some dirt on this lady finger. Okay, so let's wash it first. So hello guys, I have washed it well. Now it's time to chop. Okay, so I'm going to chop into small pieces. I am going to chop into small pieces. Okay, you know what guys, as you know I am living in army quarter. So in this city, it means in Dehradun, we cannot get organic vegetable, so that's why our vegetables is not so fresh. Okay, so you can see I'm chopping into a small pieces. So now you can see I have chopped all lady's finger or okra. Okay, and this is the best thing. I will throw it in dustbin. Okay, so now it's time to cook. So for that we'll shift the camera so that you can see properly. So for that we will take a pan. And this is lighter. I am going to turn on the stove like this. So now I'll place the pan on the gas stove. Here we go. So guys, until the pan gets hot, I am going to chop some chilies, green chilies or an onion. Okay, so let's chop it. So now the pan is heat now, and we will add some some oil. Okay, I am going to add some oil, and we add some cumin seed. This is like cumin seed. And after that we will add green chili. Along with that, onion. And this is called spatula. Okay, so now I am going to stir it. Stir means to moving around in the pan with the help of spatula. I am going to stir it well. So it has already cooked. So now I am going to add lady finger, and we will mix it well. Don't cover it. If you will cover it, so it doesn't cook well because there is a sticky stuff inside the lady finger, so it will not cook so well. So just leave it like that, and just low the flame and leave it for minutes. Okay. Meanwhile, what we will do, I am going to kneading the dough. So this is wheat flour and I am going to knead the dough. So I'll add some water to mix it well, and this process is called I'm kneading the dough. So here you can see my dough is ready, and we will leave for 10 minutes for rest. Okay. Till then, you can see how delicious it looks like. So this is called griddle. This is called griddle. So now I am going to again turn on the gas stove, and I place the griddle on the gas stove. Okay. And I am going to make chapati. Actually, I have not the perfect place to set the camera, so that's why you cannot see everything, but it's okay. I'll explain everything for you. So here is our dough is ready. So as you can see, I am going to make a small dough ball. I am going to make a small dough ball. And this is called rolling pin. This is called rolling pin, and this is called platter. This is called platter. So now I am going to roll out the chapatis. I have not rolling board because I feel comfortable to roll out the chapati on this slab. Okay, so that was called rolling board. I am rolling out the chapati. So here my chapati is ready, and I am going to place it on the griddle. You can see I have placed this chapati on the griddle. Okay. And this is our ladyfinger vegetable. It is cooked in one side, so I am going to flip it. So that it will cook both sides. So now I am going to add some turmeric powder and some salt. Okay, and I am going to stir it again or mix it well. So as you can see, my chapati is ready and ladyfinger curry is almost ready. I'll serve it, then I will show you. Okay. So here you can see I have served it for my husband. Vegetable, chapatis and curd. I have add some sugar in it. Okay, So I'm going to give him. So yeah guys, as you can see, I practice English while cooking food. I hope you have learned many things through my videos, and this is my way to practice English at home. If you're also learning this language, then you can try this method, and this is really helpful method, because in this way you can think along with that. Just try to describe the things. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.